Hey people, so keeping by this the whole thing of doing reviews, so there's this new movie called Amrutta Ramam that has been released on Z5, the app, and it's like apparently it's based on true events, and it is breathtaking. Yeah, the way they the cinematography of this particular movie, it's like those of us who've never traveled to Australia, you get a very I think now with drone cameras, it's like a bird's eye view of things. So it's just beautiful, and the lead pair, especially the lead actress, is very promising. I mean, it's like once you begin watching this movie, you want to just keep watching it, and I think that is the hallmark of a good film. So, people, it's called Amrutta Ramam and it's on Z Classic, and it is a Telugu movie that is it heralds a new wave of cinema, the kind of movies that are released directly on OTT platforms because of this lockdown. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.